Hello and welcome. I have my delicious cup of coffee and I'm ready to show you what arrived this morning. This little baby. Oh, I'm so excited, guys, and I had to wait to do all my bits and bobs to record this unboxing. So first of all, let me just tell you what I had before. So I've been painting for a few years now with this trusty old set from Winsor & Newton. I have to double check the cover if I say it right. And this was my palette. It's quite used up, and I think I added a few colors here. I had to actually glue them back on because they would just fly everywhere. So some of them I think I replaced or added on paint, and I added a couple of colors. So this is my Winsor & Newton, and I'm really, it's a lovely palette, but I think I could play with something new now. So that's the one. And let me show you this new baby. So it arrived this morning and I'm really surprised how heavy it is. It's the set of 36 colors. You can see here they have different options, and only higher than that will be 48, which I think I'm not that rich to afford that, and this was really expensive. It was 168 and it took me so long to think, oh, should I get it, should I not get it, and going back and forth. But with watercolor paint you really have to invest into good quality paint, and I worked with Winsor & Newton for such a long time, and I know this lasts for ages. This probably will last me a lifetime, so it depends how much I paint. So let's have a look. I did have a little look before, I have to admit. So that's in the box, and it's a nice metal solid box. I'm not sure what this little thing is for, maybe just to set it up like that. Not entirely sure. I'll just close that. And that reminds me of chocolate bar, obviously. So when we open this, this is a little area where you can mix as well. It comes with a swatch book, which you can fill up, and that corresponds with the paint you're going to lay down, and you just put the number. It's really good to do swatches. I did the swatch for my Winsor & Newton as well, and it helps because it looks nothing like in the pan than actually in use, so that's really good. So I'm definitely going to do that. Not sure what that is. It's just like a little, it's in German. I used to study German. Oh yeah, English. So I think you just fill it up and like a little questionnaire. Anyway, moving on. You open that little bit, it just reminds me so much like a little chocolate box. With so beautiful, it just makes me so happy, honestly. And the color, I had a little look, and just the right yellows I need, just the right color. Just everything is just wonderful. So many blues, and I had that missing in my Winsor & Newton. Let me just take a quick look. If you look here, even on the, that's just a cardboard box I cut out, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue ones, but they, I don't know how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you have 7 blues plus turquoise. Oh no, that's Prussian green, technically turquoise here, but it is looking very turquoise like, and that, I don't know, it just looks like it's going to work for me. The noise. Beautiful earthy colors. I don't think there is white in here. I do like using white, obviously not to create any white areas, it's just to make colors a little bit more like pastel looking, for like a children illustration stuff. And you have one more row here, and you can add on your own, and wonder if I'm going to actually add to my collection. I don't know. I'm obviously going to try first of all this set, and I think this is for a little mixing as well. This little bit, I'm going to probably maybe use that bit and my own palette or plate. I quite like doing it on the plate. So we have beautiful selection. Sepia brown, ivory, black, burnt umber, Indian red, English, Venetian red. Oh, how about yellows? I really wanted maple yellow, but I don't think there's in here. Oh yes, there is Naples yellow. Yes, I really wanted that one. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, I'm so excited. So how to do that? You just, I think, just open them up from the little area. And now the fun bit of opening all of them. They look a little sweeties. Oh my goodness. Hello. How gorgeous. Completely full. It's just like, I don't know if you can see that. It's completely washed with that little pan. So I'm not sure whether to do it like that. Going to stick next, please. Kind of push it. Push it in, because I've seen the other one with a little bit of metal, like a metal rod, if that makes sense. I'm not sure how is that going to keep it in place. There we go, it clicked. So I have gently pushed it in. Let's open this one, which is cadmium yellow light. Very useful color. Staple color. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that mess already. And starting on the bottom bit. Kind of raising it and clicking it in. There we go. Great. So I'm just gonna have to do that for all of them, and I might speed up this bit because it's gonna be so boring for you guys. So see you in a tick. And the last one, pushing in on the bottom and click, that's done. Oh my goodness, there's nothing more satisfying. There's a lot of mess. I'm going to clear it up now. I'm going to fetch some water, get paper, and we're going to have a look at those beautiful colours. Have a little, take a Schmincke for a spin. Yeah. Okay, I've been waiting for this moment for so long. I got water, my brush, and we're going to have a little go. So let's try maybe with my favourite colour. It might be cerulean blue. Have a look. Oh my gosh, the pigment is just wow. Now that is a difference. There is a difference between Schmincke and Winsor & Newton. Yes, there is. Whoa, look at that. It's amazing. How vibrant. That's what I was missing, I think, in Winsor & Newton. It just wasn't vibrant enough. It's especially all the earthy colours. Let's see. Wow, I'm literally blown away. This is going to be incredible amount of fun. Doesn't look very pretty. What the heck is that? Wow. It's a more delicate way. What is that colour? No, that's Naples yellow, or is that Naples yellow? Problem is there is no colours description. I'm gonna have to update that. Just incredible, incredible. Just add the colour to it. There's still pigment on my brush. That might be something I need to get used to when you wash them off. You really have to look at olive green. Beautiful. Look at that. I just want to swatch every colour now. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh. I'm just picking up my jewel from the floor. How vibrant is that yellow? You would never get that in Winsor & Newton. It's effortless. And it just works so well with water. So, result, this was one of my best purchases, guys. Oh, I'm so blown away because I literally haven't tried that before. This is the first time. How gorgeous. Oh, and how they mix, let's see. Let's mix them up. Wow. That gives you incredible results. Wow. Let's mix this orange with the yellow. Gorgeous. And then more yellow. I don't know what to say. Fantastic. And I think they are so loaded with pigment. The pigment is so beautifully vibrant. It's definitely very, very good purchase. So now I'm just waiting for delivery of my watercolour from Faber-Castell. Because I have a little collection of how many? 60? 40, 60, I can't remember, something like that. I did actually Excel spreadsheet, and I have ordered some more. I thought like I was missing different color of greens, and I just wanted to make it more just complete with all the possible colors I might want to have. and I might show you what I have in the next video. So watch out for this, and hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.